Online toxicity and protein binding of carbonic anhydrase predictions for decorated multi-walled carbon nanotubes are made available through Enalos Cloud platform. The platform hosts a fully validated predictive model developed by Nanomaterials based only on the structure of the decorating molecules. The web service can be easily accessed through the presented link. To initiate a prediction, the user must provide one or several structures of compounds being considered as potential decorating molecules for multi-walled carbon nanotubes and get, within seconds, the prediction of the Ca binding and their toxicity profile, along with a warning on the reliability of the predictions based on the model's domain of applicability limits. The user can draw the molecular structure of interest using the drawing tool. When using the drawing tool, only one structure can be submitted at a time. The user can easily select from the different panels specific atoms, bonds, or substructures and then construct the decorating molecule. The functionality also enables the user to open, save, and convert files with a variety of chemical formats such as SMILES, IUPAC chemical identifier, MDL mol file using the drop-down menu of the online sketcher. When properties are uploaded for a set of decorating molecules, a prediction is generated by submitting the input structures. The predictive model is then applied to the data provided and the output is generated. The user can enter the SMILES notation of one or several structures separated by new lines. Even if the SMILES notation is not initially known, the chemical sketcher included gives the users the opportunity to draw the molecular structure and then copy the structure as SMILES by right mouse click or by using the drop-down menu. This facilitates the generation of several structures, by allowing a multitude of modifications to be performed using the sketcher and then copying all structures as SMILES and pasting in the appropriate field, so that a prediction for the whole set of produced structures is obtained. Thus, the modifications can be visualized, and multiple predictions can be realized at once. When structures are uploaded, a prediction is generated, usually within seconds, by clicking the Execute button of the corresponding field. The results include the predicted Ca binding class, binder or non-binder, to the nanotubes and the toxicity class, toxic or non-toxic, of the resultant decorated nanotubes for each structure entered, and an indication of whether this prediction could be considered reliable based on the domain of applicability of the model. Two options are available: the reliable option, which indicates a prediction within the domain of applicability limits of the model, and the unreliable option, which is a warning for a prediction out of the domain of applicability of the predictive model. Finally, the user can select and import a SDF file with several structures, by clicking the Upload button. This type of files contains molecular structure records, used as a standard exchange format for chemicals information. The decorating molecule structure in SDF format can be extracted from PubChem database or other repositories. During a safe by design process, different data sets with decorators of interest can be imported, and their effects on the biological and toxicity behavior of the resulting decorated multi-walled carbon nanotubes can be studied. By clicking the Download Files button, the above table is downloaded on both CSV and HTML format. In the produced CSV files, the interested users can observe the neighbors of the training set used for the prediction of each one of the input samples.